What's going on, guys? Just got back from Mexico and I'm excited. Why? Because I'm starving. Because we almost missed our flight, didn't get to eat before the flight. All they had were like peanuts and like rabbit food on the flight. And last time we ate was an acai bowl, like feels like 14 hours ago. So pretty much I want to devour everything. And I'm excited because just got back. And of course, what do we have here? Some goodies. Let's see what we got. Yeah, stickers. New clean meal just arrived at my doorstep at the perfect time because first meal replacement protein that KAGEDMUSCLE has put out, and we about to get it popping. I'm starving, so it's a perfect time to try this. What we got? We got 28 grams of protein in 2 scoops and 18 carbs of organic quinoa, oat flour, and Swedish oats, I believe. Swedish oats, sweet potato. Oh, we got some good things up in here. Anyways, let's see how it tastes. Vanilla cake flavor. Here we go. 1 for your head top. 2 for your head top. Bam. It's been a long day. A long few days. And meal replacement protein has not just the protein but carbs as well to literally substitute a meal. So like right now, I don't want to cook anything. I don't even want to drive to pick something up to eat. I don't want to do anything but just drink this and like knock out. Anyways, all right, let's get to it. Dear God, that is glorious. Wow. It tastes like a sugar cookie, it tastes like a sugar cookie with rainbow sprinkles on it, to be exact. Potentially drizzled with some kind of like vanilla icing, hence vanilla cake. I think they knocked it out the park. Yeah, man. Time to get these gains back because I've been eating mad tacos over the past weekend. Wasn't counting any of my macros, and I'm back on track. Tomorrow, gym, let's do it. Clean meal. Bam, let's go. I have to check in one more time. I wanted to say the thing that I really like about this, if you had the whey isolate vanilla, and if you've had the casein vanilla, you might be wondering, all right, does this taste different? The answer is yes. It has its own vanilla sensation going on. So lock it in now. Peace.